If x upon y plus y upon x is equal to minus 1, given x and y are not equal to 0, what is the value of x cube minus y cube? Complex, easy, moderate. Depends on different students. If you can solve it, it is easy. If you cannot solve it, it is difficult. But no. It is not that you cannot solve it. It is easy to solve. You just need to know the trick. Let's see how. We have the value of x upon y plus y upon x is equal to minus 1, and we have to find the value of x cube minus y cube. So first of all, let us consolidate what is given. It is given that x upon y plus y upon x is equal to minus 1. Let us simplify this. If we take the LCM of the denominators, we get xy. xy is in the denominator. LCM is xy. So xy divided by y gives us x, and this x gets multiplied over here, thus giving us x square here. Then we have the plus sign. Now this xy is divided by x, giving us y, and this y gets multiplied over here, giving us y square is equal to minus 1. This is equal to, we can do the cross multiplication. So we get x square plus y square, because when this is nothing, we can put it as 1, and 1 into x square plus y square is x square plus y square, which is equal to minus 1 into xy gives us minus xy. So here we have one equation, x square plus y square is equal to minus xy. This is given. That we'll see how and where to use it. Now let us get back to what we have to find. We have to find the value of x cube minus y cube. And if you recall the identities, we have one identity for this expression, that is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Now if you see, we have got the complete way out of this solution. Here we have x square plus y square, and we have already calculated the value of x square plus y square as minus xy, which can be substituted over here. So nothing much to do now. We get x minus y, and here instead of x square plus y square, we can write minus xy. We already have plus xy over here. So now this minus xy cancels plus xy, thus giving us a 0. And any number multiplied by 0 gives us 0, because here we have x minus y, which gets multiplied with 0, and we get the answer as 0. So you see, if you just remember the identity and follow a very simple straight path towards the solution, it is going to get back to you without much effort at all. And that is why if you start practicing, if you start doing maths questions, at least in maths, study mare is not anymore.